Good morning, students. Yesterday, I taught you Bryophyta. I hope all of you understood characteristics of Bryophyta. Today, we will discuss about the third division, that is Pteridophyta. In Pteridophyta, spelling start with P. P is silent. Pronunciation is Pteridophyta. I am reading the textbook Pteridophyta. It has given on page number 77. You may have seen ferns among the ornamental plant in a garden. Take a leaf of a fully grown fern and observe it carefully. Division third, Pteridophyta. Plants from this group have well developed roots, stem, and leaves and separate tissues for conduction of food and water. But they do not bear flowers and fruits. They reproduce with the help of spores formed along the back of posterior surface of their leaves. Examples are fern like Nephrolepis, Marsilia, Pteris, Adiantum, Equisetum, Selaginella, Lycopodium, etc. These plants reproduce asexually by spore formation and sexually by zygote formation. They have a well developed conducting system. Now, one by one, we will understand the terminology. Ornamental plants. What do you mean by ornamental plants? Ornamental plants means the plants which we planted in the garden because they beautify your garden, or in simple words you can say plants which beautify your garden are known as ornamental plants. Beautiful plants which look beautiful, those plants are coming in ornamental plants. Fern, botanical name of fern is Nephrolepis. It is very beautiful plant. They have the leaves with the serrated margins. Because of the serration, the leaves look very beautiful, and in the reproduction time on the posterior side you can see the sporangium, which is red in color, and they beautify the garden, and because of these sporangium, plants look beautiful. Now, one by one we study about the characteristic of Pteridophyta. This plants from this group, they have well developed roots, stem, and leaves, and these roots and stem and leaves are the true leaves, true roots, and true stem, because conducting tissue is present. Means in roots they absorb the water from the soil, and because of conducting tissue is present, because of that water transfer from soil to the upper part of the body. Same way in the stem also they are having conductive tissue. Because of that they transfer or they translocate food from leaf to the different part of water. But they don't have flowers and fruits. They don't have flower, that is why fruit they can't able to make the fruit, so flowers and fruits are absent. They reproduce by spore formation, and these spores located inside the sporangium in case of fern, and asexually spore formation, and sexually also they reproduce by the zygote formation. So both the way they can reproduce sexually and asexually. Asexually means when only one parent is involved. So this type of reproduction is known as asexual reproduction, and when the both the parents, male and female, are gametes are responsible for the reproduction. That type of reproduction is known as asexual reproduction. Now, these are some characteristic of Pteridophyta. First is conducting tissue is present. They have well developed stem, root and leaves. They reproduce by the spore formation, and spores are located on the in the sporangium, and those sporangium located posterior end of the leaves. All the plants of this division are very beautiful, and that is why we use these plants as an ornamental plants. Now, example fern. Question can come like this: describe the structure of fern with the label diagram. So in your book, diagram has given. You see the leaves, very beautiful leaves with the serrated margin. Roots are also present, and the posterior side you can see the sporangium. Inside the sporangium, spores are present. Now, use your brain power. It has again given on the page number 77. What is the similarity between the plants of groups Thallophyta, Bryophyta and Pteridophyta? Irrespective of differences in their body structure. What is the difference? You can see in these three division. All these plants similarity reproduce only by spores formation. No flower, no fruits are present. That is why they are called cryptogame. Crypto meaning hidden games, and they have the hidden reproductive organs.